This video will demonstrate a life insurance claims process using SmartIQ on both desktop and mobile. Please note that Accordant is a fictional brand used for demonstration purposes only. Our Accordant claims agent receives a call from the wife of policyholder John Murphy, who has unfortunately passed away. As you can see, John's information has already been pre-populated from the system of record and displayed in read-only mode. We are beginning this demonstration using a web browser, but SmartIQ can be embedded into any system of record using an iframe. On the left-hand side, we can see John's two beneficiaries, Janine and Cameron Murphy. When the claims agent clicks Next, we see the information for the first beneficiary pre-populated from the system of record. The claims agent simply needs to enter the beneficiary's email addresses, and by clicking Send Interview, SmartIQ will automatically deliver a secure email to both beneficiaries. The email will contain a unique link and access code, so Janine and Cameron can get started on their claim. Now that the claims agent has successfully initiated the claims process, they are redirected to a claims dashboard, which lists all claim submissions currently in process. The claims agent can see which claims are active, when they were initiated, and when they are due. In this case, there's one for Janine and one for Cameron. For time-based events like claims, SmartIQ can use the due date to send out reminder emails for when tasks are due, and record when those reminder emails were sent in the system of record. Next, we'll look at the life claim process from the perspective of our first beneficiary, Janine, who has just received the email notification on her mobile phone. Janine simply copies the unique access code and clicks Start Claim. She is directed to a login screen where she will paste the access code and log in. That login code is used to authenticate Janine and allows SmartIQ to pull information that Accordant already has related to her claim. Once she's logged in, Janine is presented with an empathetic message acknowledging her loss. The menu in the upper left-hand corner provides a list of all the steps Janine needs to complete in this claims process. She clicks Next, and you'll notice her information has been populated in read-only format, so she will only be asked to input unknown information. Janine can click the Help bubble if she needs clarification on the information being requested. Next, Janine needs to declare if John's legal address is the same as his residential address. If she answers no, you'll see that conditional logic is being used to adapt the questions and fields based on Janine's responses to drive a dynamic, response-based experience. Drop-down menus have been created using external data sources as reference files to simplify data entry. Things like states within the US, or countries in Europe, or territories in Australia, letting the user quickly click their selection. As the process continues, the questions become more specific, related to things like marital status, and the responses continue to personalize and control the experience. Janine is then asked to provide a copy of John's death certificate. If a mobile phone is detected, Janine will have the option to take a live photo. If not, she will be prompted to simply upload the document from her computer. She snaps a photo of the death certificate on her mobile phone. That photo is uploaded and is now formal documentation associated directly with her claim. The photo can be sent with the completed form for eSignature, or it can be routed directly to an enterprise content management system using web services. Janine selects the manner of death and inputs the cause as a heart attack. Next, Janine must complete her personal information as the beneficiary. She enters her birth date and is presented with a context-sensitive keyboard on her mobile phone that will only allow her to enter characters that are associated with this data type. She selects US citizen, adds in her mobile phone number, and selects Next. Now, Janine can choose from a variety of different payment options. If she chooses lump sum check, she'll get a message saying the check will be mailed to her. If she says direct deposit, it will ask her to choose checking or savings and to upload a photo of her void check. In this case, Janine would like to receive her payment as a lump sum check. Now that the claim is complete, she will click the Submit button. Once she submits her claim, all of Janine's information is inserted into the correct fields of a PDF document. She is redirected to a white-labeled signing experience through OneSpan Sign, where she accepts the terms and conditions and reviews the PDF for accuracy. And as you can see, all of Janine's claims information has been injected into the appropriate location of the PDF form. Now she can sign the document to complete the claim submission. Next, let's take a look at what that same experience is like on a PC. Our secondary beneficiary, Cameron Murphy, has the email notification open on his desktop. He copies the unique access code, clicks Start Claim, and is presented with the same login screen. Cameron begins completing the required information just as Janine did earlier. He has the option to upload a photo of the death certificate directly from his PC, but since Janine has already provided that, he opts not to. He enters the manner and cause of death, clicks Next, and enters his personal information. When entering his mailing address, you'll see the form field begins populating validated addresses that match the input. That's because this form field is connected using the REST data source to a third-party solution called SmartIQ. Cameron chooses the correct address, enters his mobile phone number, and selects Next. In this case, he wants to receive a lump sum via direct deposit. He accesses his PC file system to upload a photo of his void check. And now, he can go ahead and submit the claim. Like Janine, Cameron is redirected to a white-labeled Accordant signing experience through OneSpan Sign. And here's the completed form with all of Cameron's information. He signs off, and the claim has officially been submitted for processing. To experience the power of smart communications firsthand, request a demo today.